Welcome, everyone. I'm really glad you're joining me today. We are about to walk through a special home. It's near London, but it feels a world away. This is a family house that was completely rebuilt from the inside out. It has 5 bedrooms, but it is so much more than just rooms. Every single corner, every light, every piece of wood was chosen for one reason: to create a feeling of peace. I am not joking when I say this place can change your mood. But how? That's what we're here to see. The answer isn't just in the expensive things. It's in the way the space makes you breathe easier. Come on, let's go inside. First step through the front door and you just stop. You have to. The space opens up above you, 2 full stories high. Light is pouring in from a huge window, making everything bright and airy. But it doesn't feel cold or like a museum. It feels warm, welcoming. Right away, you notice the floor. It's a smooth, creamy beige color that flows like a single, endless sheet. It's called poured resin, and it feels slightly soft under your feet, quiet and solid. Your eyes are drawn straight ahead to the staircase. This is not a normal staircase. It looks like the wooden steps are floating in midair, held up by walls of bronze. Tinted glass. It is a piece of art you can walk on. We'll come back to climb it in a minute, I promise. But first, you have to see the heart of the home. This is where life happens. We walk straight through into the kitchen and living area, and, wow, just wow, the word kitchen doesn't do it justice. This is a living space built around food and family. Right in the middle, there are not 1, but 2 huge kitchen islands. The first one is for people. It has a beautiful stone countertop that you can sit at. This whole top is one giant piece of stone, brought here from another country. Can you imagine? No seams, just a perfect, smooth surface. This is where you have your morning coffee, where kids do homework, where friends gather to chat while dinner is being made. The second island is for cooking. This is the serious one. It has a powerful cooktop and 2 full ovens. Everything a person who loves to cook would need. The cupboards around the walls go all the way from the floor to the ceiling. They are made of rich, dark walnut wood, and they have no handles. You just push them gently and they open. It looks so clean and tidy. Now look at the small details, because that's where the magic is. Look at the kitchen tap and the sink. They are covered in real 24-karat gold. It's not to be flashy. In this soft light, the gold just glows warmly, and the light. You don't really see the lights. There are no big, bright ceiling lamps glaring down. Instead, there is a soft glow coming from under the cabinets, from inside the shelves. It makes the whole room feel calm and cozy in the evening. Even the boring stuff is beautiful here. Through a hidden door that blends right into the wall, there is a utility room. Washer, dryer, a sink, extra storage. You close the door and it all disappears. The main kitchen stays perfect and clean, ready for guests or just for your own peace of mind. The entire back wall of this room is glass. Enormous doors that fold completely away, opening the whole house to the garden. On a nice day, inside and outside become one big space. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. A long, beautiful table that can seat a big family or a whole group of friends. The chairs are comfortable. The art on the wall is interesting. I was told that every single piece of furniture and decoration you see was bought new just for this house, to make it feel complete. And if someone bought this home, they could possibly buy all this furniture too. How amazing would that be? To move into a house that is already perfectly decorated and feels like home from day one. And for those quieter moments, there's a cozy corner, just off to the side, a little lounge area with a soft, curved sofa in a warm, burnt orange color. A big, comfy rug defines the space. This is the spot for reading a book, for kids to play, or for someone to relax while the noise of a party is in the kitchen. It feels intimate, safe. Now, let's go back to that amazing floating staircase. It's time to go up. Each step is made from one solid piece of oak wood. It's strong and beautiful. As you walk up, you can see all the way down to the entrance hall through the bronze glass. It feels open, not closed in. Before we go to the bedrooms, there are two more rooms on this ground floor. First, a home office. It's a quiet, focused room with a big desk and lots of shelves. Imagine working from here. With a view of the garden, it would be hard to feel stressed. Next to it is a formal living room. This is the quiet room, the one for conversations, for music, for a peaceful end to the day. The ceiling here is lower on purpose. It makes the room feel cozy and snug. A soft sofa, another beautiful rug, and a classic bay window that looks out to the street. It's a lovely, calm space. Also on this floor is a bedroom. This is so useful. Imagine for grandparents who visit, or for a guest, or even a teenager who wants a bit of independence. It has its own beautiful bathroom right next to it, so everyone has their privacy. Okay, now to the upstairs. This is the sleeping floor, the place for rest. The landing upstairs is like a bright gallery. You can look over a little balcony rail down into the entrance hall. It's full of light. There are 4 bedrooms up here. Each one is a little different, but they all share the same feeling, a serene, hotel-like calm. The colors are soft and neutral. Creams, warm grays, soft beige. 3 of these bedrooms have their own private bathrooms called en-suites, and these bathrooms, they are something else. The owner designed them himself. He chose amazing tiles in deep jewel colors. One bathroom has stunning emerald green tiles. Another has a rich ruby red. A third has a deep blue like sapphire. They are all stunning. Which color do you like best? They all have walk-in showers with rain shower heads, sinks that seem to float on the wall, and taps in that same warm gold. The lighting is soft and flattering. It feels like your own personal spa. But the main bedroom, the principal suite, is the true escape. You walk in and the carpet is so thick and soft, it feels like walking on a cloud. There's a special area just for getting ready, with a long vanity table and a big mirror right in front of a bay window. The morning light would be perfect here, and of course it has a huge, breathtaking bathroom with a freestanding bathtub and one of those beautiful jewel-tiled showers. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a private retreat where the day's stress just melts away. Are you ready for the surprise? Because this house has a 3rd floor. And this floor has only one purpose: fun. We walk up to the top, and I open the door to the entertainment room. This is not a small TV room. This is a professional home cinema, but it doesn't feel dark and closed. The walls are covered in the softest midnight blue velvet. This soaks up the sound, making movies sound incredible. Instead of a complicated projector, there's a gigantic one. 100-inch television on the wall. 10 super comfy seats are arranged so everyone has a great view. They are big reclining chairs. You could spend all weekend here, and in the corner a proper home bar with glass shelves, cool lighting, and space for all your drinks. Imagine watching the big game here with friends, or having a movie marathon with your family. This room is for making memories, but wait, the story isn't over. The garden has the final, and maybe the best, surprise. We walk down to the end of the garden, and there's a separate little building. This is the wellness wing. Inside, 2 rooms. The first is a full gym. It has all the equipment you'd want. A treadmill, weights, a yoga area. Big mirrors on the wall with soft lighting make it a great place to work out. Right next door, through another door, is the spa, and this is just dreamy. There's a large, bubbling hot tub, a cozy sitting area with another screen for watching TV. The doors here also open wide to the garden, so you can sit in the hot tub, looking out at the trees and back at the beautiful house, steam rising around you. After a long week, can you think of anything better? This little house at the bottom of the garden is like a private escape, a place to disconnect completely. So, what's the big idea behind all this? I spoke to the man who designed it. He told me his whole philosophy. He said luxury isn't about the most expensive things. Real luxury is about three simple ideas: materials, space, and mood. He chose warm, natural materials like wood and stone. He created open, flowing spaces that let you move easily and breathe deeply. And he used light, mostly hidden, gentle light, to create a mood of total peace. He wanted to build not just a house, but a feeling, a family home that protects you from the busy world outside, a place where peace is the most valuable thing. And walking through it, I think he did it. From the moment you step into the bright, calm entrance, to cooking in the warm, glowing kitchen, to relaxing in the cozy cinema, to soaking in the garden spa. Every part of this home is designed to make you feel good, to make you feel at peace. It shows that a house is more than just walls and a roof. It's a place that can shape how you feel every single day. If you enjoyed this peaceful tour, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel Winds of Thought to find more special places to show you. Tell me in the comments, what part of this home made you feel the most calm? Was it the quiet library room, the spa, or the soft-lit kitchen? And if you love seeing how homes can be designed for happiness, we have another amazing tour for you. You can see it right here on your screen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next tour.